Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how you use Stackia's automation tool and tag system to grow your business. It's actually pretty simple, useful, and very intuitive. So the first thing we are going to do is go to the contacts tab right here in the left corner. From here on out, you can add your contacts to your automation flow system by simply choosing them and adding them in bulk from add to flow button right here. You can choose which flow system you want to add them if you have multiple ones like I do. So you can click team flow and add them, and you will automatically be added to your team flow. Like you can see here, contact subscribed team flow. As you can see right here, Ricardo, Ruiz, and Cristina were added from my previous action. But you can also use tags to do this for us. So for example, if I choose Vanessa and Paulo right here and click in the button add tag, I can choose a tag to add to them. So for example, customer, but I can also create one from here too. So let's create a workshop tag right here and press OK. After our contact list updates, you can see that Vanessa and Paulo both have the customer and workshop tags added to them. You can see this in the tags column. And actually you can do a lot of things with tags. One of them is to simply filter our contact list. So if you have a big enough contact list, you can filter them from tags. So let's choose the workshop customer one, and it will automatically filter Vanessa and Paulo out. Another thing we can do with tags is to use them to add people to our workflow automatically. So let's go to the automations tab here and let's choose the customer flow right now that, as you guys can see, have 0 contacts subscribed to it. So let's click here. When we open this tab right here, we are going to add a new workflow trigger. And from this list right here, we can choose multiple workflow triggers. But for this example, we are going to use only the tag added one. And we are going to choose our tags. So let's choose the workshop tag and let's choose the customer tag. You can add multiple tags here or do multiple triggers separately in the section right here. But for now, let's use the workshop and customer tags one and click add trigger. This will add the trigger. We are going to save this right here and click and publish. After this, the page will update, and as you can see right now, we have the contact subscribed, and we are going to click here and see that both Vanessa and Paulo were added to our customer flow. We can add multiple tags to this right here, and Stackia's automation tool will automatically add all your contacts depending on the tag that you added to them. And by this way, you can have an organized contact list with every single contact having a tag and being automatically added to your workflow if you wanted to. I hope you guys learned a lot with this video. See you next time. Bye bye.